Hey everyone, Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, and this is Wednesday Wins in Real Estate, where we spread positivity in the real estate industry. Today I want to talk to you guys about a client that came to us and they had great income, but not a lot of savings. They didn't have access to a draw from a 401k. They didn't have access to a gift from a family member. So they were actually a perfect fit for CalHFA's down payment assistance programs that they offer. So we showed them these options. They'd actually talked to a couple different lenders and were kind of feeling discouraged, but they really needed to move. They actually have 3 special needs children. They've been forced to move a couple times just due to where they were renting, they were selling, or moving back into the property. So we pushed forward. We showed them their options and they set out to write offers on properties. Even after getting pre-approved, they were still skeptical just because they had to ask for a large amount of closing costs to be covered by the seller. But they set out, they wrote offers, we stayed positive, we did all the things we know we need to do to get offers accepted. They wrote offer after offer and they kept getting declined. I have good news. We actually got an offer accepted and we went into escrow this week. We ended up getting $17,000 worth of closing costs paid, and they were able to get an offer accepted in an area that they were looking to move to. So this is why I share with you guys, you have to stay positive and move forward. They could have gave up and just went back to renting, but they stuck with us. They worked with the right team. We pushed forward and now they're in escrow and everything's going to go smooth. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. So stay positive. Wednesday Wins in Real Estate. It's Tim Manfro. Thanks for watching.